miles, Tosohatchee. Today, the floodwaters are out down Fish Hole Road. So if you're looking for something a little different out at Tosohatchee, right now, we're coming into August and it's flooded, even the creeks on the side.
I saw a gator, a fast gator, and was going through the water, but I saw something.
Yeah. Did you know Tosohatchee did this? Mm-hmm. You been out here before?
No.
Yeah, you have.
I don't remember.
How's this for water though?
Pretty fun.
Yeah. Well, we drove down the spur road past the Bumby camp where the chimney was, and there's a lot of water holes. That's the funny thing about this place, is it can be packed out with water one day and then you can come the next day and it's pretty dried up. All right, this is a good sign.
Don't get wet, guys.
Well, funny that I would say that. Here's a video of the very next day. Randy wanted to go out and see some of the flowers and the flooding, so Sunday we headed back out, and lo and behold, all the water was gone and dried up. A few puddles here and there. Most of the flowers have already closed up, but we took a ride, and the only place that we found it to be really sloppy is around Highway 528, where you go underneath the highway. Construction in that area has made it very messy. But it's still a great place to go, but you never know what you're going to get when you go out to Tosohatchee. One day flooded, the next day dried up.
Hey, if you are going to come out here and there are puddles, the rangers have asked that you don't hit the puddles hard and splash all the dirt out with the water. That makes for a big pothole later for the next people that are coming through. Then they have to do a lot of maintenance to try to fill in all those potholes. So tread lightly through the water if you can, and if you have that possibility, go around. Not everybody out here is driving around in a four-wheel drive. We passed a lot of cars on both days. So enjoy it and take care of it so that everyone else can enjoy it too. Look at the baby alligator in front of us. Look at it.
Whoa!
Y'all see there's a baby alligator that just walked right in front of me. And of course, right as I go into the water, the Facebook cuts off. Okay, gonna try again. To phones, or you can download it.
I'm gonna send, and we can. So, yeah, Mom, I'm not gonna download it. I'm gonna give it to her mom and say, you ever see this? Like, this is.
Gonna take four-wheel drive. This construction company has rutted this up, and these ruts are hard and deep. Go slow because it hits hard.
I'm in 4 high.
Yeah, I just went to 4 low to get through that because you got to kind of crawl, because those, when you hit those ruts, it's like hitting a wall. The underpass is rutted up really bad with the construction company that's running down the side of those rails, and that is I had to put it full-wheel low just to get down the road a little bit. The ruts in there, you can't move fast because there's massive ruts.
Oh, that must.
Wave. How y'all doing? Look where we're at. The ditches on the side coming off of St. John's River, I haven't seen a single gator. Normally they're full of gators, but I have noticed that when the water level's high, the gators don't seem to be in the ditches. So depending on whether you want to see gators or not would depend on whether the water level's high. Even out at St. John's, we didn't see a whole lot of gators. That's it. Thanks for riding. See you next time. I'm Matt.
I'm Logan.
And you've just been on a Florida Jeep Ride State of the Trails for Tosohatchee. See you next time. That's where the Wrangler is. We're at the Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, having some fried food, frog legs, catfish, gator, my grandson, and some of the Jeep crew. And that's how you finish out your day.
Here's the thing.
You just been on FloridaJeepRides.
Had a little bit of gator. I had some catfish, hush puppies, french fries, coleslaw, and some frog legs. Good fried food. It's right off St. Johns River and Highway 520. Pretty close to Tosohatchee. Y'all have a good day.